Hi everyone, I'm Amanjeet Singh and welcome back to my channel. So if you are looking for a romantic way to express your love through art, so in today's video we are going to create a stunning DIY love sculpture that is perfect for gifting someone or decorating your space with a touch of your love. So let's dive in and let's create this beautiful piece of art. First, print the design template and trace it onto your wooden block. Make sure the outline is clear for precise cutting. Carefully cut along the lines using a scroll saw and take your time with the curves to maintain the elegant outline. I use the walnut wood because of its dark natural color and and it's also a hardwood. So now we are making an internal cut with the scroll saw. So it is necessary to first drill a small hole in the waste area of the wood. And now install the blade through the hole in the workpiece, and after that adjust the draw foot and the blade tension. I use the Dremel tool to carve the hairs and the heart and just to enhance the look. So now sand the entire sculpture to remove rough edges and bring out the natural beauty of walnut wood. I use the walnut spray stain to give it a more darker look. Now with a piece of a cloth just to remove the extra stain. Okay, so next step is to carve a heart shape. So first print the heart on a paper and then cut it into a desired shape. And with the help of glue, just stick it onto a piece of a wood. I have a Dremel tool which I use to carve a heart shape. I have various carving bits. And now with the scroll saw, cut out the heart shape out of the wood. So actually, I'm gifting it to my wife on our wedding anniversary. So I'm cutting our picture in a heart shape, and then I will put it into the the piece, the heart piece I carved, and then I fill it with the epoxy. I use the magic epoxy and mix it into a 2:1 ratio. So, so after mixing it, stir it very well. And now put a picture inside the heart uh, uh, and then fill it with the epoxy. Uh, Finally, attach both the pieces onto the base. If you enjoy this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. You can share your own ideas in the comment section. I love to see your creation. Thanks.